Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. In this video, I'm going to show you about recent updates that Windows has put out, and that if your computer may have downloaded it, that it takes away the Bluetooth icon that should appear down here in your taskbar. Now, I had mine set up to where whenever I would start my computer, it would always show up, so I don't have to go through the steps of trying to find it and turn it on. It's just less of a hassle. It also makes it easier for me to transfer files between my whether it be the laptop to my desktop, or smartphone to my desktop, or desktop to my laptop or smartphone. And I noticed after the update that it no longer appeared down here in the taskbar. And I found that to be a bit of a problem because it gives you shorter steps into being able to transfer files between my wireless devices. So after doing some digging, I figured out what the issue, how to solve that issue. So if you don't have your icon, your Bluetooth icon showing down here in the taskbar when it was prior to you doing an update, a Windows update on your computer, what you want to do is to bring that icon back. You want to come over here to the little caption icon or notification icon. You're going to left click on it. The side screen is going to come up, and your Bluetooth icon here, you're going to right click and you're going to click go to settings. Your Bluetooth settings is going to come up. Now, as you can see, the Bluetooth is turned on, but it's still not showing up. The icon is still not showing up in the taskbar. So the way to fix that is you're going to come over here to the right and you're going to click on more Bluetooth options, and you're going to click on that, and you'll see the Bluetooth settings window pop up here. And you have discovery, you have notifications, and here is your culprit. Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. As you can see, it is not checked. And if it's not checked, the icon's not showing up down here in the taskbar. So you're going to just select that, put a check mark in the box, click apply, and OK. And now if you come down here to the taskbar, lo and behold, there it is. So you can close this window out, and now whenever you restart your computer or start your computer, your Bluetooth icon will appear. And once again, if you left click it, you'll see there's a shortcut menu that comes up to where now you can send files or receive files a lot more quickly, versus going through all the other stuff. So you have to go through the control panel and settings and things of that nature. So this is the way that I use in order to send and receive files to my Bluetooth devices. So I hope this helps you guys out. I know it helped me out. And you guys take care, be safe, peace out.